Welcome back to Car Drive Next, where we bring the road to your screen with in-depth reviews of the latest vehicles. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Tesla Model Y, a car that has evolved into something much more refined, efficient, and tech-savvy than ever before. Whether you're new to the electric vehicle scene or already a Tesla fan, this update will definitely catch your attention. So buckle up as we take a closer look at what makes the 2026 Model Y stand out in an increasingly competitive EV market. From the first glance, the 2026 Tesla Model Y presents itself with a noticeably refreshed design. It's not a radical departure from its predecessors, but the changes are crisp, modern, and unmistakably Tesla. Up front, the nose is slightly sleeker, with a more sculpted bumper that improves airflow and reduces drag. Tesla has done away with any unnecessary clutter, and the result is a minimalist face that complements the brand's signature style. The LED headlights have been slimmed down just a bit and now incorporate Tesla's new adaptive lighting system. These aren't just aesthetic updates, they help improve visibility by actively adjusting the beam based on speed, steering angle, and surrounding conditions. From the side, the silhouette of the Model Y remains instantly recognizable but has been subtly refined. The flush door handles are still here, of course, and now feel even more responsive with Tesla's new haptic sensor system. What's really impressive are the redesigned aero wheels, available in 19, 20, or 21-inch options. They're not only sleeker to look at but help extend the vehicle's range thanks to better airflow. The new paint options for 2026 are worth noting too. Tesla now offers a stunning new glacier blue and copper dust finish, both of which shimmer differently depending on lighting, giving the car a premium, almost futuristic look. Moving around to the rear, the updates are equally purposeful. The rear fascia has been cleaned up for better airflow management. Tesla has integrated a subtle rear diffuser that's not only functional but adds a sporty edge to the design. The taillights have a new light signature that's more dynamic and instantly recognizable, even in broad daylight. And yes, the powered liftgate is still there, now even quieter and smoother in operation. Once you step inside the 2026 Model Y, the feeling is distinctly Tesla, but with a more mature, luxurious touch. The minimalist cabin design returns, dominated by the familiar 15-inch center display but now with a sharper OLED panel, better contrast, and smoother responsiveness. Tesla has refined its UI again, now allowing more personalization and quicker navigation. Voice control has improved significantly, now with smarter context awareness and natural language support. The materials inside the cabin have seen a real upgrade. New sustainable synthetic leathers feel softer to the touch and are now available in 3 tones: pure white, graphite gray, and mocha tan. The aluminum trim pieces are replaced with a satin finish recycled composite material that feels upscale without being flashy. One of the more welcome additions is ambient lighting. Finally, it's tasteful and customizable, letting drivers set the mood with different hues that respond to driving modes or time of day. Space remains a strong point for the Model Y. The panoramic glass roof continues to give the interior an airy, open feeling, and Tesla has improved UV filtering for better temperature control. Rear passengers now get slightly more legroom thanks to redesigned front seat structures. The rear bench is still 60/40 split folding, with excellent cargo space, especially with the seats down. Tesla also added more padding to the seats for longer ride comfort, addressing one of the earlier criticisms from previous years. Moving into tech and performance, the 2026 Model Y is available in 3 main trims: Standard Range RWD, Long Range AWD, and Performance AWD. Tesla claims incremental improvements across the board, and we can confirm those during our test drive. The Standard Range now offers an EPA-estimated 295 miles on a full charge, thanks to updated battery chemistry and software tweaks. It still uses a lithium iron phosphate (LFP) battery, which charges to 100% without worry. The long-range variant is where things get interesting. It now pushes over 345 miles, depending on wheel size. With dual motors, acceleration feels immediate, and the car can hit 60 miles per hour in around 4.7 seconds. It's not neck-snapping like the performance model, but it feels smooth and responsive. Tesla has also refined the reg and braking system, offering more control between high and low modes. And then there's the performance model. This is where Tesla flexes its electric muscle, 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds. Dual motor all-wheel drive, sports-tuned suspension, and upgraded brakes. It handles sharply much better than you'd expect from a crossover. And even with the added speed, range still hovers around 310 miles. Tesla's new adaptive suspension system helps keep things planted during hard cornering while maintaining comfort during everyday driving. As for charging, the 2026 Model Y supports up to 250 kilowatts peak charging on Tesla's Supercharger V4 network. That translates to roughly 160 miles of range added in about 15 minutes. Tesla has also enhanced the route planner to better predict charging stops, factoring in weather, elevation, and even real-time charger availability. It's impressively accurate, and it genuinely reduces range anxiety during longer road trips. Driver assistance has also leveled up. Tesla's latest full self-driving beta, which is still considered level 2, comes with smoother lane changes, improved city street navigation, and smarter responses to unmarked roads and construction zones. Whether or not you opt for the full self-driving package, standard Autopilot now includes more confident adaptive cruise and lane centering, especially in tight traffic. One of the most talked about upgrades in 2026 is the new steering wheel design. While the yoke option is still offered, most buyers will stick with the new semi-flat-bottomed circular wheel, which includes integrated touch sliders for turn signals, lights, and wiper controls. It's controversial, but in our testing, it works well once you get used to the layout. Feedback from the wheel is better calibrated now, and combined with the updated steering ratio, it provides a more connected feel to the road. Now let's talk price. The base Model Y standard range starts at around $46,990. That gets you rear-wheel drive, a very decent range, and Tesla's Cortex suite. The long-range model starts at $52,990, which most buyers will consider the sweet spot given its AWD capability and extended range. The performance trim begins at $58,990 and includes sport upgrades and exclusive badging. Add the full self-driving package, and you're looking at an additional $12,000, or a $199 monthly subscription if you prefer that route. Keep in mind, some regions still offer EV tax credits or incentives, which can help offset the final cost. Overall, the 2026 Tesla Model Y isn't a revolution, it's a smart, well-calculated evolution of one of the best-selling EVs in the world. It tightens up the design, enhances the tech, boosts range and performance, and finally gives buyers more customization inside and out. Is it perfect? Not quite. Some may still take issue with Tesla's minimalist approach. Others might prefer more tactile controls. But as a complete package for the modern electric crossover, the Model Y continues to make a compelling case. That's going to wrap up our deep dive into the 2026 Tesla Model Y. If you found this review helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to Car Drive Next for more in-depth vehicle reviews and comparisons. Got questions or your own impressions of the Model Y? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, drive safe, stay charged, and we'll see you in the next video.